Ready?
Yep.
Uphill now. It's almost there. Here we have our 2004 911 Carrera 4S. It had a very rough sound to it. We drained the oil and we found a lot of metal in the oil. So we're gonna do a new engine with an X51 package. The fenders will be wider. We'll have wider rear tires, wider front tires. The nose will be like an old school slant nose where the headlights will pop up. There's going to be a lot of challenges we face with this car, especially with the body aspect of it. Going from what it is to where it's going to be really satisfying, and it's going to be quite a transformation. So I'm excited.